Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio 40. Under this video, you can subscribe, click on like on this video if you like this. You can also download this from on the description, okay? And you can see the video that I make to show you how to install this here on the end of this video. Now, as I promised to you, this is the test review. Woo! On my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 2019. Beautiful. What is this? Double click. This is AddressROM version 7. Also, the update of Android for you. Let's go to the test review right now. Are you ready to see this? Let's go. What is this? Look at that. Beautiful. This is always on display. Wonderful. So nice. I like it. Double click. Double click on the ear. Beautiful. Look at that. This is S10 Plus ROM also. And so nice. Beautiful. As you see, it's working. And when you do this, and you click on your beautiful lock screen, you can see this beautiful wallpaper. Change it here. This is multi wallpaper. As you see, it's so beautiful and so wonderful. Look at that. Amazing and unbelievable. Can you see this? Look at that again. Oh, so nice and beautiful. Woo! What is this? This is Android 9P. As you see, it's working. Whoa, beautiful and great screen for you. Can you see something? Beautiful. Control panel. This is a control panel. And as you see, you got beautiful new icons into. You can see Dolby Atmos. You can see also night mode that you can activate if you want. And you can see navigation bar. You can also see full screen gesture. You can click on done and good. Look at this now. Look at this now. Wonderful. I like it. When you do this, again, woo, go back. You can see under Android security part level, May 1st, 2019. This is a new update, bro. It's so beautiful. What do you think? Wonderful. Okay, you can also see this is One UI version 7. One UI version 7 from AddressROM. Can you see this? Good. Nice. Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Wonderful. Look at all of this. It's so wonderful. What is this? This is my head panel from Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. As you see, it's working with this beautiful YouTube application. When you open, look at that. Okay. Settings. Wonderful. When you turn, go back. Wonderful. This is Vancy Team. Okay. Close. Look at that. Wonderful and beautiful. I like it. Beautiful. I see you can do what you want with your beautiful new keyboard. You can enter Young Studio 40. Young Studio 4, what are you doing? Young Studio 40, where are you? Yeah. Subscribe and activate notification. Get ready. Wow. How to install this ROM? On the end of this video, you will see how to install this ROM. It's free for you. As you see, I make many videos here for you. When you watch this, wow, beautiful. And it's working. Look at that. Woo! This is your One UI, bro. Wow, one new version 7. Wonderful. I like it. I like it. You can do this to close and open like that. Woo! So nice. Wonderful. Look at your menu. Beautiful. It comes into Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is here. When you hold the home page, you can see Bixby here. Bixby is here. Go back. When you click on Bixby button, wonderful, beautiful Bixby is here. So you. Okay, I will do this after. Hold again. Beautiful. I want to deactivate this page. Wallpaper. And the wallpaper you can see. This beautiful. Oh, you need to update before what? Okay, wallpaper. View all. Update right now. Quickly. Okay. Update Bixby. Bixby update. Okay, update. Okay. Okay, the update started also. Okay. Now, Galaxy View all. Wonderful. Look at my wallpapers into. As you see, this is a multi-pack wallpaper. As you can see, it's good, it's working, it's nice, it's wonderful. You can change all of this on your beautiful lock screen like that. Okay. Under you can see Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpapers that you can use and put on your home screen. Again, you can see motion. You can do this, set as wallpaper. Well done. As you see, it's good. It's wonderful. It's amazing. It's all is amazing. Oh, your beautiful head panel. As you see, you can add something here like music. Music, where are you? Hello. You can agree? This is Samsung Music update. Wow, it's beautiful. Wonderful for the wonderful. I like it. Volume. Amazing. You can also activate your beautiful Dolby Atmos. You got many effects. You can see music. You can see auto. Do what you want. Woo! Listen to the song. Well done. I like it. Woo! Subscribe today. Okay, to finish, let's see the camera. What on my camera? What new things on my camera? Go on settings. Settings. You can see video. When you do real video, look at this beautiful symbol. Do this. Oh, beautiful. This is the Note 8. As you see, two beautiful 12 megapixel camera. It's so good and so nice. And when you turn, he's turn. And when you turn, he's turn. Wonderful. I like it. Wonderful. Okay. 60 FPS. Always apply for HDR return. And you can take a beautiful picture, activate with flash like that, and take a photo. Do this to zoom. Wonderful. And look at that. Wow, so nice, so beautiful. Look at the first, the second, the first. I like it. What do you think? Say to me what do you think about this. Under this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and get ready. Look at on your beautiful, wonderful power off. Thank you. Subscribe today for the next video, and God bless you. I love you so much.